series quadcopter family, and this one has a 3.7 volt 250 milliamp battery. The charge time is 90 minutes and the flying time is 6 minutes, and the control distance is around 150 meters. It has nice cool LED lights right on the top of the canopy in each of the motor pods, and the remote control is that of the X701 hexacopter. So it has the gravity mode as well as the automatic flips in the high rate. This quadcopter came with prop guards already installed. It's really nice, gives lots of protection, but for today's demo I'll be flying it without the prop guards. So let's check it out. Starting off in low. All right, turn the lights off. Really nice. That's in low. Let's go to medium. Oh yeah, nice and speedy in the medium rate. There's the funnels for you. It's got a nice pitch, like around 45-degree angle pitch. Nice and speedy. Wow. Really quick. Really nice flyer. Oh wow, it's really nice. And it looks pretty cool. This is a nice one. Let's see the flips. Nice flips. Backward flip. Forward flip. Backward flip. Forward flip. It's got dedicated flip buttons on the bumper for backward flips, and the left bumper is the forward flip. Really nice. Those nice flips on the fly. Wow. Wow. Not a break in the stride. Oops. And try that again. Nice. Nice. Wow, really nice.